Alrighty, YouTube, I'm going to celebrate the first cold start of 2009, or 2010, sorry, with my rideable lawnmower. I still got to put it all back together. It's still half apart. I got to put the cover on here, and got to put the bolts back in the cover all the way around. And then I got to put the hood back on, make it look like a real full-on lawnmower again. Get it, maybe even repainted. So these bolts are starting to rust a little bit here and there, but this thing's tougher than tough. This thing's crazy awesome. But it would only run on one cylinder for the longest time. Finally got it fixed. I have a video I'll probably be posting today. I got it fixed yesterday, or New Year's Eve, or no, New Year's Day. I don't know. Yeah, whatever. But today's 1st of January. So, I'm going to celebrate it with the cold start of my lawnmower here. A little bit of choke, a little bit of a throttle, and she'll start right up. And she is cold. It's getting hot. I haven't started her up yet today, so sounds absolutely amazing. I love this thing. Okay. Transmission will like a car. Shift in reverse. Get the high and low gear. Put up into high. Find a tree. Such an easy lawnmower to drive. I used to have an old, I think it was a 71 Murray. I think it was older than old. Left it. Makes me mad that I left it back where I used to live, but oh well, I can't get it now. And that thing, it was pretty hard to drive. It kind of complicated. This thing's just so easy. Steering is so very easy. I can do it with one finger. Oh, not one finger exactly, but so easy. And then gear shift is like a car. You got your reverse, fourth, or no. You shift this down. You got a slow reverse. Got a first, second, third, neutral. Pull it up into high, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then a fast reverse. See, this is fast reverse. This is slow reverse. Of course, I'm not going as fast as this engine can go. Feel out. I got it up, parked out here by my shed. Got the video camera on a lower quality so I can get this done. I'm running out of memory. Gonna go get this. Yeah, I'm gonna go get this on YouTube. I hope you had a wonderful New Year's Day, YouTube. I hope you have a good New Year. See you later, YouTube. Bye. Vanguard. I hope you enjoyed, YouTube. Comment, rate, and subscribe.